as many bucks as you give. You will be a noob forever. This is not going to change.
On va aimer, c'est cool. It's big, I guess. Playtime, purple. Good.
It will be good.
Horrible cette game. Horrible. I mean, I wouldn't say no to an AVP, free for free, you know what I mean? That's what I'm telling you. I like it. Yeah, but I have like 120 ping, like I had before, because it's gonna sucks, you know.
So. Info. Taping.
Faut que j'arrête d'être une merde. C'est chaud. Voilà. Voilà. He's gonna get the bomb. GG.
Θα το κάνουμε kick τελευταία ώρα.
Try that in English next time, please.
Okay. She says that I'm mute you. Should I mute him?
Let me knife him, let me knife him. Thanks. Now I have a lot of money I could buy for the next round.
One up. B.
Let's just start saving, guys. If you want to save your gun. Oh great, oh great. They didn't defuse. Kan man jag säga för det? What? Then you who?
Yellow.
No, I
No.
don't.
You just used.
No, I don't want to unmute him. You want to be a cock with me? Just mute him. Why would I unmute him? To say him, oh, you're shaggy? I don't know.
She will not say that.
I don't care about what he says, because I just muted him. That's the whole point of muting someone. No, I won't unmute this cock.
Go man. He says that.
No, I don't know what he says, and I don't want to know it. Oh yeah, just vote yes. If you want, good. Yeah, he's toxic. Yeah, sure, yeah, vote yes, okay. Goodbye, goodbye. Let's go, vote yes. If you don't want to play one, you just kick me.
Don't kick him.
Yeah,
Purple, don't kick him.
he's gonna kick me. There is, like, yeah. He's gonna vote yes because of your fucking friend. So yeah, no problem. I just wanted to kick you, to be kicked like for the first round. So. Let's just go. On your left.
No, you are not going to be kicked. See?
Well, I don't know. Your friend is voting too, so.
Behind.
It wasn't a ladder, but I mean, I don't really care because I'm gonna get kicked all the last round, so. Yeah. De toute façon, je pense que je vais me faire kicker.
Alright, go away. Oh shit. Oh.
Ladder last. Here.
No, stop.
I just reported him anyway.
Oh, me.
No, you're yellow.
Nice. Report me.
You're friendly. I recommend you yellow. I mean green.
Report.
I recommend you friendly, good teacher, good leader, alright?
I would love you. Let's play one more game. Okay. She's not going to troll anymore. Yellow.
I don't care about this dude. Troll or not, that's not a problem. I'm maybe gonna get kicked anyway of this game, so...
No, you're not going to get kicked.
Got one. Wait, I flash. I flash. Oh shit.
It's okay.
My bad.
Cover me.
Oh. Oh. My bad. He instantly, yeah, one-tapped me.
Go away from behind.
I'm an eco, I have no weapon. One AVP, A.
Orange, watch out.
One long, minus 46.
What?
Nice, 1v1 my friend. You have to win this.
You should pick AVP.
No, I don't think so. He misses all the shot with an AEG, so could not be the best idea. But could be like run faster so you can plant and win the round.
Yeah, you have no time.
Yeah, no time yet. Oh, you saw him? Nice. Plant for money, my friend. You did a great job here. Even if that was not really impressive. But... GG, by the way.
Go long AVP.
Hey, yeah, want an AVP? Thanks.
Come long, long. Shift. Nice.
Nice. Only 2 guys left. And it's okay. One B. Yep, purple. You've got the last. One is on B, guys. It's only one guy on A. Yeah, only one. The last is B. You can plant easy. The last is B.
Okay.
He's on the top. Maybe ladder. Yeah, maybe he blew. Nice, dude. GG.
They fear us already. Let's give them a reason to. I'm starting the fire.
They push A, they push A. Here, purple, here. On your right. On your right, purple. Behind.
Oh shit. Good shot.
Oh là 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 là, mais purple.
Wait, hit that.
Nice! Nice!
Oh.
This would be on YouTube, guys, GG. Et bah du coup voilà.